Hey there, Stephen Scott with Elevated Realty. I have got a super rare property to show you today. We're at 3607 East Raccoon Way. We're located in a private cul-de-sac in popular Fox Glen. This house is absolutely amazing. It is 100% single level. It's just under 2150 square feet. It's had the same owner for nearly 30 years and has been completely remodeled and updated on the inside. You're gonna absolutely love this place. Let's go check it out. As we're here in the kitchen, I love how open it is to the living room, front family room. You'll see it's got a great big fireplace over there. Very unique stainless steel counters, custom cabinets throughout. They've got soft closed drawers and plenty of storage. You know, one of my favorite features about this house is there are multiple outdoor living spaces. This is the backyard that we're in right now. You'll see it's got beautiful mature landscaping. We've got a gas fire pit. There's an area for an outdoor kitchen or a hot tub, and you'll see it's just completely set up for entertaining. Such a cool house. This private courtyard off the living room and the master suite I just love, and just all the attention to detail everywhere. This house is just amazing. Not to mention how much storage it has. There's even an evaporative cooler to keep you cool during the summer months. If you'd like to see this place, have any questions in detail, or to schedule a private tour, give me a call on my cell phone at 928-606-2521. Thanks.